Here's a special message for every school administrator facing the challenges of attracting, recruiting, and retaining educators, but can't seem to stop them from quitting their profession. My name is Anthony Thornton. I am a former school owner, a #1 best-selling author for all the books that you see behind me, and an expert communicator who helps school administrators create environments where educators thrive and feel valued. This increases retention and it reignites their passion for teaching again. And it also results in a more stable, positive education system that benefits teachers, students, parents, and our communities. So imagine a school where educators thrive and students excel and morale just soars through the roof. That's the vision that we're pursuing together. If this aligns with your desire to succeed and creating a school model for other schools to model all across the nation, then pay very close attention. Too often, school administrators believe teachers leave solely for higher pay. That's so far from the truth. It's more than just money. It's about creating an environment where teachers feel valued and inspired to educate. And if you're a school administrator who wants to master recruiting and retaining educators, increase test scores, and ignite school morale, then my Educator Ring of Fire training, it's exactly what you're looking for. It's not just a program, it's a revolution. So imagine inspiring teachers to become raving fans of your school and leadership, igniting a chain reaction of excellence. Picture them as magnets attracting other top teachers to your school, elevating student performance, and increasing parent engagement, and your school winning prestigious national awards, and so much more. And what makes this even better? Now you never have to worry about your staff feeling overwhelmed, underappreciated, and undervalued again, which means you're not stuck feeling like your job is in jeopardy and student growth is being stagnated. And best of all, you'll start seeing results with my Educator Ring of Fire training in less than 30 days. And it costs way less than losing another qualified educator. So again, if you're a school administrator who wants to master recruiting and retaining educators, increasing test scores, and igniting school morale, understand this. Teacher vacancies are soaring all across the country at alarming rates. You are running out of time to address teacher dissatisfaction, student underperformance, and school morale. And delaying massive action in these areas, it risks not just your school's reputation, but your own job security. With my Educator Ring of Fire training, change happens really fast. In less than 30 days, you'll witness a transformation that defies expectations. And the best part is, it's more affordable than losing another key staff member. Don't let uncertainty loom over your leadership. Take charge today. Click the link right now to book your free fact-finding information session with me. My team is available from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. 7 days a week to help. Click the link right now to book your free fact-finding information session with me, and I'll send you my most recent published strategies recognized all across the country by top media outlets. Let's get your school back on track. I look so forward to meeting with you in the next few days. And remember, go serve big.